Here are the 5 mistakes I made when I was in my first year in architecture school. Hello everyone, this is Erica, a fifth year architecture student who is redoing her thesis, and welcome to my Architalk series. We did different mistakes, but this is just based on my experience. So, the first mistake I made was perfection over progression. I tend not to do my plate if I'm not in my mood, then papalipasin ko lang yung mga araw. Ang tendency, magkakram ako instead na magkaroon ako ng progress and i-analyze yon kung tama ba yung mga ginawa ko rather than on sa nagkakram ako. Number two, which is connected to the number one mistake that I made, is I tend to overthink everything. Well, architecture, hindi talaga natin may iwasan mag-overthink sa mga bagay-bagay. And it's really good to analyze everything or to analyze the consequences of our designs. But the thing is, we have lots of things to think. Design, tropical design. We have different subjects pa, like engineering subjects. So, if we will going to overthink everything, if I will going to overthink everything, then hindi na makakaya ng mental capacity ko yung mga kailangan ko pang isipin. By the way, I am saying this for you guys to avoid these things and to lessen the mistake that you will going to make. Next is not exploring the world enough. I mean, I tend to just stay at home even if it is weekend or even if it is my free time, though madami talaga akong ginagawa or madami talagang ginagawa on the first few years in architecture school. Then I realized that you will learn or I can learn by going to different kinds of places. Why? Because architecture students tend to be an observer. And as time goes by, na-observe ko din siya sa sarili ko na, oo nga no, when I go to this place, I could get an design inspiration and apply it to my design or find a gap from that design. Especially when you're studying in Manila, you could go to Intramuros, you could go to the National Museum, because these places could also help to find your interest for your thesis topic or for the topic that you were going to choose for your thesis year. Next is overworking or too much work at night or too much pagpupuyat, then wala namang progress. Because I think I just did this for a few times, pero hindi ko siya ginawang habit. For example, I will start 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. and then papasok ka ng 10 a.m. For me, it is not a good habit as long as you could do your work for maybe 2 to 3 hours straight tapos focus ka. I think you have a good progress for your plate or for your design.